I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare lion's mane mushroom. First, gently clean your lion's mane mushroom. Use a slightly damp cloth to wipe away any dirt or debris from its delicate surface. It is important to avoid rinsing it directly under water, as this mushroom acts like a sponge and can quickly become waterlogged, affecting its texture and flavor. Finally, carefully trim away any tough or discolored sections at the very base. Now let's prepare the mushroom for cooking. You'll want to slice the lion's mane into pieces that are about 1/2 inch thick. Think of creating small, uniform steaks or chunks. Consistency and thickness is key here, as it ensures that each piece cooks evenly and achieves that beautiful golden brown crust. When cooked right, its unique texture often reminds people of delicious crab meat. For the best flavor and texture, sautéing is the preferred method. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your favorite butter or cooking oil in a large skillet over a medium-high flame. Once the pan is hot, add your lion's mane slices in a single layer, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side, until they turn a beautiful golden brown and develop a slightly crispy exterior. Season with salt and pepper. To finish, consider adding some fresh herbs, such as finely chopped parsley or a sprig of thyme, during the last minute of cooking to infuse a wonderful aroma. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving can also brighten the flavors beautifully. Lion's mane is best enjoyed immediately, either as a delightful side dish or as a fantastic, savory meat substitute in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.